Hi, today I wanted to talk to you about adjusting the chime on a particularly old French movement. So here we have a French movement probably dating from around between 1850 and 1880, and you can tell by this because you can see here we have the chime wheel, and this has, if I can come round, indentations to mark the number of hours. Now if I just move this lever up, that's a half hour. Do it again. So it's 3 o'clock, but it's past 8 o'clock here. You can only do this, by the way, if it's actually just gone past the hour. So we wanted to get it to 8 o'clock. So what we do is just move that bar here, four, seven o'clock, 8 o'clock. So now we're in sync, back in sync with the hands. So if I just move the hands round to the half-past mark, there we go, 8:30. And it's as simple as that. Other clocks, you adjust the chime different way, but for these clocks, if you see that wheel on the back, you've got a clock with that wheel on the back. That's how you can adjust the chime. Sometimes they go out of sync. They are old clocks after all. And it's a fairly simple thing. Just remember just to do it as move the minute hand so it's just past the hour or the half hour, so it's finished its chime cycle. Bye.